Alright guys, I think I got the loader ready to go. I may possibly have it traded off for one of those little Chinese mini excavators. Turn the fuel on. I mounted a solenoid, start solenoid, because I didn't have one. Ran new wires to everything. Getting up here is fun. I've got a brand new seat in it. I got it covered so it don't get deteriorated. Choke. Make sure we're in neutral. Look at that. Starts right up. Everything so far looks good. It's a Huff, HHG, serial number 18B-1832. It's a hydrostat transmission. It's got 1, 2, 3 over here, 4 neutral reverse, loader up and down, bucket up and down, and there's your 4-wheel drive lever. First time since I've had the, oh, and I had to replace a hydraulic hose on that side. This is the first time since I've had this thing that I was able to start it with a key. You had to touch 2 heavy wires together, and sometimes it worked, sometimes it was a big pain in the butt. Now you can just crawl up in the seat. As long as the gas is on, you can just crawl up in the seat, fire it up, and go to town. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I will see y'all on the next one. Later.